Before I start our exam, let's hear a message from our chair of Committee of Examiners, Fire Superintendent John Lee.
To our Human Resource Management Section Head, Inspector Joy Morris, our Section Chief, Fire Inspector Salvania, member of the examining committee, good morning. Today, because of the information coming from the national headquarters about the hiring of Fire Officer 1, namo kabang kanagiri. Among the many applicants, kayo lang ang naadiri considering that you passed the initial qualifying examination, initial evaluation, screening. Now this is the second stage, which is the examination. The Bureau of Fire Protection allotted only 99 quota to Region 10. And tanaw ninyo daghan kayo. So, in as much as we want to accept all the applicants or interested young men and women like you to become part of the Bureau of Protection, we cannot do otherwise, considering that we are only given 99 quota. Ladies and gentlemen, the Bureau of Fire Protection wants to select the best of the best among applicants. That is why I hope na sa examination na ito, make the best out of it, best of the best, and mag-undergo mo ng a lot of stages, processes, until such time na mapadulong mo sa final examination. Okay? Kabalo kong some of you were nag-take ng exam for how many times, nag-apply how many times, other agencies. And yet, pabalik-balik mo din sa Bureau of Protection, kaya gusto nyo yun papadulong sa Bureau of Fire Protection, madawat sa Bureau of Fire Protection for the purpose nga naman security of tenure, di ba? Para pang-support financially sa inyong kaugalingon at the same time sa inyong mga families. So however, balik-balikan ako, we cannot do otherwise, but the quota given to us by the national headquarters is only 99. So, do not be tempted with any malicious act, which is the bribery, considering that there is a law of punishment, okay? According to the fire chief, walang bayad pumasok, or walang bayad para pumasok sa pagiging cover. Okay? Maintain your integrity as early as now. With that, good luck.